want to make a quick comment on the black hand, dirty hand towel gag. Now this is a very old trick, but remember, for the people who are seeing this for the first time, this is new to them, especially for the children audience. I want to make a few comments. First of all, I did use hot glue, and this will allow everybody to build this. But if you do have a sewing machine, it will be more durable, it will be more low profile, and also it will allow you to iron this. And when you iron this, you will be able to wash this in the washing machine. And even if it fades away a little bit, it will look more vintage. But a few comments I want to make. First of all, if you want to build this and you want to make the original where the pictures of stained hand, I would say just buy the original dealer item. The whole point of the channel, the whole point of building this is to make something new, something unique, something unexpected. I did look up funny stains, funny emojis. I came up with this picture. This is when you wipe someone's face off. This will come up. I did look up the word coffee spelled and written in a way of a coffee stain. So you can do the coffee stain gag where you, oh, Billy, did you drink, were you drinking coffee? Something like that. So the whole point is just to be unique when you build this, and that's the whole point of building it.